Day 2 of jury selection in the trial of the accused marathon bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev. It is expected to take weeks to seat a jury. And new at 6 tonight, we're hearing from two men who faced the tough job of picking a jury on Boston's last blockbuster trial. News Center 5's Kelly Tuthill is live at the courthouse in South Boston right now. Kel?
Well, Ed, 400 more people brought in today as that difficult process of jury selection continues. And as you said, it's a process two Boston trial lawyers know all too well. Lawyers who worked on the trial of mobster James Whitey Bulger disagree about whether a fair jury can be picked in the trial against Dzhokhar Tsarnaev.
The question is not whether people have heard of the case. The question is whether they can be fair and make their decision based upon the evidence presented at trial.
The marathon bombing case is different. It touches thousands of lives. It's hard for people, even if they want to bring an open mind.
Former federal prosecutor Brian Kelly and defense attorney J.W. Carney Jr. agree. Lawyers in the Boston Marathon bombing trial have a tough job reviewing some 1,200 questionnaires filled out by potential jurors.
Anyone who will listen to the evidence fairly and anyone who believes that people should be held accountable for their actions. I think that's what the prosecution is looking for.
Bulger prosecutors rated potential jurors from 1 to 5. The defense used letter grades.
You get an A in the Carney School of Jury Selection if you come to court with an open mind and are prepared to look at the evidence based on what is presented at the trial.
This week, potential jurors got their first look at the 21-year-old Tsarnaev, who wore casual clothes and sat slumped in his seat, often fidgeting.
He's not someone who would ever wear a Brooks Brothers suit or, a short haircut. I think it's important for the lawyers to present Dzhokhar Tsarnaev as the person he was when he was arrested.
And the last batch of potential jurors will be brought in tomorrow. Some 400 more people here to the federal court. Live in South Boston, Kelly Tuthill, WCVB News Center 5.